Hey, I'm Alex with Woodland Direct. Today, we're going to show you how to install the Astra Zero Clearance Wood Burning Fireplace by Supreme. Once the stove is positioned in its final location, our first step will be to install the handle on the door. The door of this fireplace has an existing frame for the handle. You'll take the new handle and remove the screws from it, then line it up with the screw holes on the frame. You'll take your screws, insert them through the aligned holes, and tighten them up. The next step will be to install your ventilation. The vent pipe needs to be ordered separate from the fireplace and will be based on the configuration you have worked out for your space. This fireplace operates with a 6-inch UL 103 HT pipe. This fireplace comes with a pre-installed blower. If you'd like to control the variability of the fan, you will have your electrician install the Rheostat or fan speed control into the existing blower circuit and into the wall of your home. Lastly, we're going to install the ashlet by simply sliding it into place. Open the door and slide it through the bottom into the brackets so it stays in place. And that is everything you need to know when installing your Astra Zero Clearance Wood Burning Fireplace by Supreme. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 877-361-1123 or look us up online at www.woodlanddirect.com. Thank you.